Luke, uh, yes, I am so excited about this workshop, and I wanted to ask, tell me your thoughts about it. Tell me why you're interested, why you were interested in participating with this workshop, and why you're excited about it.
Mm. Well, you might know this about me, but ever since I was in grad school, even before that, like I made a living both as a dancer, but also as a videographer. So whenever there was a school, they pay me to do this. But also I did it for the company, for Ohio Ballet. And very much like we were talking with Diandra earlier, the minute you take a camera out, or even if you're recording yourself while you're dancing and you know there's a camera, you're of course dancing differently. So there's the somatic experience of being inside technology has been interesting to me for years. So to share even a little bit of this experience of the body and how to live with being observed by a camera, I find that fascinating. I find it right in line with what we do with the Alexander technique in relationship to habits, but also this sense of meditative state, of becoming mindful without changing the experience. So all of this is very interesting.
So, mindfulness in the moment and everyday life.
Mhm.
So, tell us a little bit about what you will be presenting in the workshop.
Well, certain games you can do to experience your body reacting. One of the games is very simply just tossing a ball, and then the habit of catching is so strong that if you tell someone not to catch, that often gets everyone very riled up. And then you can start to see, oh, you'll giggle or you'll tense or you'll hold your breath. That thing that means nothing, whether it's a ball or a balled up pair of socks, you start to care so much about it being dropped. There's an Alexander Technique teacher that wrote about this in terms of juggling. And he was like, the first thing you need to know and be able to do as a juggler, as a beginning juggler, is to drop the thing. So you toss it up in the air and then you just leave your hand there and you see it pass right by, and then you see your reaction to dropping. And he says, if you're going to react to dropping balls as a juggler, you're never going to grow. So you have to first learn to toss the thing, and if it doesn't come back into your hand, that's just life. And that's pretty much what we're going to start to explore, and then link it with the idea that we react to everything we want to catch, every thought, every idea that we have, every fear that what we're going to look like on camera. All of this is sort of showing up in the body. And it'd be nice to be a little free from that if we're going to have a video shoot.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yep. That's exactly what this workshop is all about. It's going to be great. So, thank you so much for being here. Thanks thanks for your help doing this.